What's the one thing that keeps you from being able to sit back, close your eyes, and live your dream life? Are you someone who really wants to be successful, but it seems like you'll never get there? Trust me, my friend, you're not the only one in this position. You want to have everything, be free, and live the life of your dreams. The only problem is that the elite few who seem to live in those kinds of places don't seem ready to share anything with you. They must have secrets, methods, and plans for success that they don't want to share, so why can't you find another way to get to them? No matter how hard someone tries to keep you from finding out where they got their success, you've probably been looking in all the wrong places. This may not be easy to hear because you may think it means you did something wrong, but stay with this train of thought for a moment longer. If you've been looking in the wrong place, you don't need to try to break into a tight group of elites. Instead, you just need to let yourself be pointed in the right direction. Sounds easy, which is why I took a trip just like this one last year. The Online Business Academy for Beginners is the book you need to read if you want to do what I did. Inside the Online Business Academy for Beginners, you'll learn pros and cons of running a business online, how well an online business makes money, online business plans that cost nothing and make money, getting down to the basics and rules, keeping an eye on money, getting your online store up and running, choosing a great plan for marketing, how OVPs are used in business, getting your business bigger and growing it, how to keep your business going strong, and much, much more. There are 12 chapters in the book, and each one talks about a different part of doing business online. Chapter 1, Introduction to Online Business, gives an overview of online business and talks about why it's a good idea to start one. The author describes the different kinds of online businesses and tells you how to choose the best one for your needs. The Finding Your Niche chapter talks about how to find a profitable area for your online business. The author tells you how to do market research, find your target audience, and come up with a value offer that makes your business stand out from the competition. In Chapter 3, Creating a Business Plan, we talk about how important it is for your online business to have a detailed business plan. The author gives advice on how to make goals that are realistic, figure out what the key performance indicators are, and make a plan for success. In Chapter 4, Building Your Website, you will learn how to make a website for your online business. The author tells you how to pick a domain name, choose a website builder, and make a website that is easy to use and looks good. The chapter Content Creation and Marketing talks about how important content creation and marketing are for online businesses. The author gives advice on how to build a content strategy, make high-quality content, and use social media and other marketing channels to get people to visit your website. The process of making your website better for search engines is explained in Chapter 6, Search Engine Optimization. The author tells you how to do keyword research, optimize your website's structure and content, and build high-quality backlinks to improve your search engine results. The Email Marketing chapter talks about how important email marketing is for online companies. The author tells you how to build an email list, make effective email ads, and figure out how well your email marketing is doing. The Affiliate Marketing chapter explains how to set up an affiliate marketing scheme for your online business. The author tells you how to find affiliate partners, make effective affiliate marketing programs, and keep track of and measure your program's success. In Chapter 9, E-commerce, the pros of selling goods or services online are talked about. The author shows how to set up an online store, keep track of inventory, and safely process payments. In Chapter 10, Customer Service and Support, you'll learn how to make sure your online business has great customer service and support. The author gives advice on how to build a customer support team, set up live chat and other help channels, and handle customer complaints well. The Scaling Your Business chapter talks about how to grow your online business for long-term success. The author gives advice on how to hire employees, give out jobs, and set up systems and processes that will help your business grow. In Chapter 12, Conclusion, the main points of the book are summed up, and advice is given on what to do next to build a great online business. Overall, the Online Business Academy for Beginners is a complete and useful guide to starting and growing a profitable online business. The book covers every part of running an online business, from finding your niche and building a website to marketing, customer service, and growing your business for long-term success. The book is a great starting point for people who want to start an online business and get out of debt. Thanks for watching our Amazon book review. If you found our review helpful and you're interested in checking it out for yourself, we've included a link to it in the description below. By clicking on that link, you'll not only get more details about it on Amazon, but also support our channel at no cost to you. So go ahead and click that link to grab your copy of the book and dive into an exciting reading journey. Happy reading, and thanks for your support.